Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Do you know AI is not just the future anymore? It's already changing everything around us. From small startups to big companies, AI is helping people work smarter, faster, and better every single day. But truly understand how technology works, you need to build a strong foundation, and that begins with C programming. C help us to understand how computer actually thinks, how logic is built, and how every modern programming language like Python, Java, .NET works behind the scene. And here's some exciting news. Next Sunday, we are hosting a free webinar on C programming basics where you will learn how to write your C first program, understand syntax, loops, and real-world logic building. It's a perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to strengthen their coding fundamentals. So, dear friends, don't miss the opportunity. For registration and details, contact Divine Tech Skills, or you can WhatsApp or call on 9971 328 227. I am Saurabh Agarwal, corporate trainer and technology specialist, and the founder of Divine Tech Skills, and I'm having 25 years of experience IT industry. So why are you waiting for? Start your coding journey today. Thank you.